Well, Home Loving, I think, should be purchased because it covers many aspects that people care about today. It's refillable, that's the key thing. So you can buy your refillable large 5 litre pot and you can refill, and these will reduce plastic, single-use plastics. We also sell the 500ml bottles without the actual triggers, and we don't sell these taps either with the actual pot, because these are refillable, so these must be kept and reused. So we're really trying to encourage you to make a small change, because if we all make small changes, big changes really do happen, and that is a really key factor for Home Loving. But also because it is simple, it is fragrance free, so therefore there's no extra additional fragrances within your home. So if you do suffer from any allergies and sensitivities, then this is going to reduce that. More importantly, it works, it's really effective, and I still can't believe how easily and how quickly I can clean my hob down. It's just so easy. I love it. The fact that it's vegan, the fact that it's made in Britain, the fact that it's a cruelty-free range just adds to the layers and layers of reasons why you should. Well, I mean, why wouldn't you?
And it's cost effective because it's refillable. It's not only a great product, it's also cost effective. You save money by refilling and keeping your plastic containers.